cryptic creatures, welcome back to the crypt. Today we have a super short video, but a video that I'm very excited about. It's an unboxing for an amazing choker that I got from Rainbow Goth and her Etsy store that's pretty much brand new. She just opened it a few weeks ago and she is putting new products up every single week. New items up every single week, and every single one of them is so adorable. To be honest, I've never ever seen chokers like these before, with gummy bears and lollipops and just the cutest combination of colors. So I highly recommend checking out her store. There's still a lot of products up on there, so go check it out. When Rainbow Goth said she created an Etsy store, I instantly knew I had to get something. And as I browsed the creations that she had on there, this one instantly caught my eye because I've been really feeling green lately. So let's take a look at this amazing choker. Oh, I knew it. See, and I was gonna say, I know the packaging is gonna be cute because I got something from her Poshmark and she just went above and beyond with making it extra adorable with like Halloween stickers. So this is the box that the choker came in. Love that there's this kind of old school twine and a rose sticker on there. Just so cute. It's all the little extra details that really go a long way. Oh, look, and even a rainbow sticker for Rainbow Goth. See, it's all these details that are amazing. And here we go. Oh my gosh, the unveiling. Yes, my choker is here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You know how long it's been since I've had a choker? Well, I have these like little ones, but like a thick spike choker. I haven't worn one of these in like a decade probably. Oh my gosh, and this one just totally caught my attention. Look at those little gummy bears and the glittery green bear. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear this with like a green makeup look. Amazing, and it fits. Actually, I think I could even do it a bit tighter. Where's the next hole? There we go. There we go. I love this choker so much. Just look at it. She put so much care into everything that she makes, and I just absolutely love her designs. And I could not be happier. I think the quality is amazing. I think that the concept is amazing. And like I said earlier, I've never seen anything like this before. So I love it so much. This is amazing. You know what? I'm not gonna lie to you. I was a little worried that it wouldn't fit because I just bought it without even looking at the size. And then today I looked at it and I was like, okay, it's definitely gonna fit me, but like maybe barely. And here we go. It fits great. And I think it will look amazing with, you know, like a makeup look that has a lot of colors, green, purple, pink. Maybe I'll slap that on and come right back. And I kind of almost want to put something else on because I feel like the collar of this dress is distracting from the collar itself. Okay, and I'm back with maybe something slightly more appropriate that helps it stand out, and just look at how cute it is. So if you want to get yours, go on over to her Etsy store. The link will be in the description below. And you know, comparatively, these are very affordable prices as well, and they're all handmade by Brandy or Rainbow Goth. So definitely go check out her store. So that is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share this amazing find with you all so that you can go get yours if you want one as well. Remember to take care of yourselves because it is the most important thing, and I will see you in the next video.